In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border using the print module in Lightroom Classic. Adding a border can enhance the presentation of your photos, giving them a polished, professional look. Whether you're preparing images for print or simply adding a creative touch for digital display, the process is straightforward and highly customizable. Let's get started. First, you'll need to select the photo or photos you want to work with. This can be done right within the Lightroom Classic library. Make sure to click on the images you wish to include in your project. Having your selection ready will streamline the setup as we move into the next steps. Now, navigate to the Print module. At the top of the application, you'll see the module selector. Click on Print to enter into this space designed specifically for preparing and customizing images for print. Within the Print module, you'll notice a variety of tools and options on the left and right panels designed to tailor and perfect your images. One of the first decisions you'll make is choosing a layout template. You'll find the template browser on the left side of the screen. Explore the options available to you. Some popular choices include single image, contact sheet, or picture package. These templates define the general layout for your print job, and each has its own distinctive features and benefits. After you've decided which template suits your needs, proceed to the next step. Now, let's focus on adding your border. In the right-hand panel, you'll see Image Settings. If you've chosen a single image contact sheet layout, this is where you'll tick the box labeled Stroke Border. This simple click will add a border around your photo. If you're working with a picture package or custom package layout, look for Photo Border. Here, you can add an outer border, and, if you wish to add more flair, the option for an inner stroke allows for a colored line inside the border. Next is the Adjustable Width slider. This nifty tool lets you control how thick or thin you'd like your border to be. Playing around with the slider will help you find the perfect balance to frame your image just right. And don't forget, you can also change the color of your border. Simply click on the color swatch to open up a palette and select your desired border color. This is a great way to match the border with the theme of your photo or simply to make it stand out. With those steps completed, you've successfully added a personalized border to your image using Lightroom Classic's Print module. Remember, these adjustments can be saved and applied to future projects, making the process even quicker next time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy adding this creative touch to your photos.